Poverty is a very serious problem of our nation. Now, the scenario is something like this: the poor is becoming poorer and the rich is becoming richer. The main case of concern is that this gap is increasing day by day. Even after so many efforts by the government, the result is almost negligible. And this is due to many reasons, like the overpopulation of our country, no proper management of programs, and many more. So, let's have a closer look at this problem by observing the lives of people who are actually facing the situation.
Hello, sister. Why are you so sad? And why are you sitting here alone? Where is your family?
Sadly, I don't have any parents, but I have two brothers, one of which might even die soon.
Why are you saying like this? What's the problem? I'll try my best to resolve your issue. You seem of my age too. I can try to help you.
Well, I'm Jyoti and I'm 14 years old. I have two brothers, as I told you, Lakshman and Shyam. Lakshman is only 5 years old and he works in mines needed for certain products. And Shyam is 18 years old.
But how can a younger brother work? Isn't he too young?
Although he's too young to work, he has to. He works in a mine to extract a substance called mica flakes. For extracting this substance, he needs to go inside a rat hole like cave, which is too small for an adult to enter. So small children are used for this process.
And what about your elder brother Sham?
My elder brother can't speak. He works in certain shops, so he isn't in one place too long.
But how can this cause his death?
Lakshman is facing health issues due to work.
What do you mean?
The place where Lakshman works is not at all safe, and he is not even provided any safety equipments. Yesterday, his co-workers found him unconscious at the mine, and after a checkup, the doctor told us that he is suffering from respiratory infection because of working in the mica flake mine. And if he continued to work like this, then he'll die soon. The day before yesterday, one of the caves collapsed and led to the death of two children, among whom three are still in the hospital.
That's unthinkable. But if you're aware that it's dangerous, then why are you sending your brother over there?
This is our compulsion. The slum area where we are living is not ours, and if we didn't send Lakshman over there, then we'll lose the only place where we can live. We are very poor, so we can hardly afford a meal twice. The contractor provides 30 to 40 rupees per day, and Shyam earns the same amount. And after this, we are capable of buying food. But if Lakshman can't work anymore, then we'll be homeless. So you see, this is the reason why I'm here. Do you really think you can solve my problem?
I'm really sorry. I had no idea that you were in such a situation, facing the worst phase of poverty at such a small age. I'm afraid I can't solve this problem.
It's alright. I am well aware that nobody can solve my problem. I think only a miracle can be the solution of the curse, poverty. I need to leave soon. Lakshman will return from the mine, and if I'm not there, he'll be worried. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Just take care of yourself, and I hope that your brother's health improves.
The example you just saw is representing the worst phase of the curse poverty. But there is another phase too, a phase where government and hundreds of NGOs are trying their best to remove this curse from our nation. There are people who are helping these struggling children to build a beautiful future full of hopes and development. There are people who know the importance of these children who can build a completely different India. So they are with the aim to give them a new life and take a step forward for their and our future. In this fight, the government is also trying continuously to change life of the people as much as it can. Well, it's a long process and it's not possible to change all the lives at once. But this process of trying is definitely changing many lives. Even we can change a life, either by helping or at least by giving a hope. These all things are a result of the efforts we all are making, and the day is not so far when we will give a bright future to each of them and provide a life which they deserve.